Inline-4 engines have been increasingly popular among sports bikes, especially for Japanese manufacturers. Since the 60s, brands like Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Honda have grown to be some of the biggest motorcycle companies in the world, while primarily focusing on inline-4 engines for their flagship products. After all, such engines are particularly favored among experienced riders because of their ability to smoothly deliver large amounts of power, simple construction, loads of aftermarket support, and easy maintenance. They have generally low vibrations and superb reliability too. But with this popularity comes extreme competition and the hunger to stand out in the market. That's when bike makers go out of the norm to whip up something truly special, and it's what Kawasaki did with its Ninja H2 lineup. With all the help from its parent company, Kawasaki Heavy Industries, Team Green whipped up one of the craziest motorcycle engines ever, a 998cc inline-4 paired with a supercharger. This has managed to literally outmuscle the competition, courtesy of its insane output. Let's explore the most powerful Japanese inline-4 engine out there. Here's the most powerful Japanese inline-4 engine today, Kawasaki Ninja H2R's mill. Kawasaki's 998cc four-cylinder engine is built with high-end performance in mind. The genius behind this balance was increasing the engine's thermal efficiency through a low compression ratio. Best used by riders with a competitive racing experience, this high-performance motor utilizes a lightweight dog ring transmission to achieve smooth, exact, and instant gear shifting. Instead of simply shifting gears into place, the gears in this configuration remain in place, with the dog rings in motion to keep the gears engaged. It is also aided by a high-end hydraulic assist and slipper clutch system that minimizes wheel chatter caused by rapid downshifting. For this motor to be considered the most powerful, factory-made inline-4 engine on the market, KHI engineered it to deliver an unrivaled peak-out. With 998 cc's in the chamber, this power plant is accompanied by a mechanical centrifugal supercharger that supplies it with approximately 200 liters of air per second with a pressure of over 2.4 atm. This allows the engine to produce a staggering 310 horsepower and 121 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to reach an impressive top speed of almost 250 miles per hour. Heck, even the road-legal Ninja H2 with a 90 horsepower deficit is plenty powerful for most of us. Here's Kawasaki's 998cc four-cylinder supercharged engine highlights. Advanced underpinnings. As powerful as Kawasaki's 998cc supercharged engine is, the H2R would need to have an equally powerful and sophisticated suspension and braking system to put all that to good use. Accordingly, in the rear is a Öhlins TTX36 rear gas-charged shock that comes with a remote preload adjuster and piggyback reservoir, and is fully adjustable to provide optimal feedback for the rider. In the front are 43mm inverted forks with adjustable rebound and compression damping, and feature spring preload adjustability with top-out springs. The braking system, meanwhile, consists of dual radial mount opposed 4-piston Brembo Stylema front calipers and a set of semi-floating 330mm discs for aggressive immediate braking. Also, the Brembo clutch and front brake levers were developed to prevent wind force from activating the levers, given the insane speeds the H2 is capable of reaching. These components are governed by the Hyper-Sport-grade Kawasaki Intelligence Anti-Lock Brake System, KIBS. Here's Kawasaki Ninja H2R underpinnings. Ripe with all the necessary technologies. On top of having the most powerful four-cylinder engine on the market, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is also one of the brand's most tech-heavy models in recent history. This motorcycle has been outfitted with key technological enhancements that helped the Kawasaki racing team, KRT, secure multiple championships. One of those features is the compact IMU that enables inertia across the 6 degrees of freedom, monitoring its acceleration along longitudinal, transverse, and vertical axes, as well as measuring its roll rate and pitch. The IMU also features an enhanced version of Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, that predicts potential riding conditions and activates before any excessive slipping to maintain ideal traction. Kawasaki Launch Control Mode, KLCM, is also part of the package. It's a three-mode system that delivers undeniable acceleration from a stop by electronically controlling the engine's output in order to cut down on any rear wheel slippage and front-end lift. All this while allowing the rider to launch with the throttle held wide open. There's plenty more to enjoy here, as you can see in the list below. Here's the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja H2R features. Before we proceed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. The flagship Ninja, truly. It also looks more modern with a fully blacked-out aesthetic than the chrome-heavy Springfield. For a similar blacked-out appearance, you'll have to buy the Springfield Dark Horse, which costs $24,999. So this might be the most affordable touring bike in Indian's portfolio, but you should do your homework before transferring the money. The production of this limited edition motorcycle goes well beyond that of any other Kawasaki model. It is the high-end brainchild of multiple collaborating divisions within KHI to create a supercharged motorcycle that was able to set a new peak in Kawasaki engineering. Available by order only, the Ninja H2R's enormous power output is something best reserved for very experienced riders. In fact, this motorcycle is so powerful that it isn't street legal and can only be ridden on racetracks. There is a toned-down Kawasaki Ninja H2 street-legal version available in case you want a supercharged road bike, however. Thank you for watching!